he got what he deserved. And I know why he went to Malawi to see Bushiri. Remember when Mbuyiseni Ndlozi went to Malawi and spoke about Bushiri on that, I think it was a lecture, when he said all those things about Bushiri. And then Bushiri wrote on Twitter threatening him and Floyd that he was going to expose what they did to Malema. And then just quickly after that, Floyd rushed to Malawi to have that conversation with Bushiri. So now I think it's connecting, guys. I don't know, maybe I'm a theorist, but this is how I see it. He decided to risk everything. He knew very well that going there was going to be risky for his position in the MK and how the public is perceiving him. He got what he deserved. We are like, Viva EFF, Viva. I'm done. Thank you.
Thank you. Stembise, you can come in.
Yes. Good evening, Zizipho.
Hi, politics in Zim. What's Stembise?
Yes, I'm not going to be long. I just wanted to say, Karma has located Floyd very, very, very early. I'm so excited.
8 months.
8 months. I'm very, very excited. Really, I cannot sympathize with Floyd. I remember that fateful day when Floyd was announcing his resignation. I look at I look at Malema, facial expression. I shared it here. And today, what is happening to Floyd? I feel like I can just jump.
And I think CIC is feeling sad because I checked earlier to see what he has reposted, and I saw that he only reposted one thing. So I don't think CIC is actually feeling happy. I think he's also sad for him.
He has to forget about him and celebrate, really, because I personally, from that day, I took Floyd as Blaise Compaoré. He betrayed EFF. He betrayed Julius Malema. And one thing that I want to see happening from the MK now, I want to see there's a lazy eye boy from Limpopo called Hanky.
Oh, Hanky is going through the most. Didn't I read what he wrote for you?
No, he blocked me. I can't see.
Wait, let me entertain you. Wait. Wait, let me entertain you. Hey, he's spiraling there. Wait. Hey. Firstly, okay, wait, let me start. Okay, because there are so many things that are going on. He pinned a tweet about Duduzile. What if Duduzile is in charge? She controls all the levers of power in the MKP. Full stop. And then he said, there's another one where he said the problem is not taking Floyd to parliament. The problem is how it was done. He's been humiliated out of the top brass of the MK like he's a small boy, as if he's the only one with dodgy friends. Him being removed from the National High Command as the Secretary General and being redeployed to parliament makes the entire move lose its strategic value, even if we said that MKP parliamentary caucus needs to be reinforced. Then he says the ANC must expel him again. The ANC must expel Jacob Zuma. Then he said, imagine having to say Prince Mashele, Gulam, Blade Nzimande, Zweli Nzimavazi, Julius Malema, they were all right. I feel like I can dig a hole, get inside and bury myself.
Yes, he must bury himself.
And then, wait, let me read you the last one. And then he says, they said a lot of nothing in that diplomatic catastrophe of theirs. They must still take us into confidence. How dare you take decisions like that? Is the so-called last hope, guys. I feel like I can puke, sis. Oh, where they go.
Yeah, you must stress. That's the first person I want to see him stressing in that MK. He's a politician of a stomach, or of a person. And then,
no, but he's not the only one. I've seen members of MK that love MK so much. I've seen them. They're going through a lot. They're not happy.
I also want to see Dalimpofu. Actually, I want to hear his view now. Is he still uniting the black parties? I want to hear his views. And one thing that is interesting for me is that the same way that these leaders were leaving EFF, Jacob Zuma is dealing with them the same way. Look at Jimmy Manyi. Jimmy
Yeah.
has got removed now within a
Look
week.
at what they're doing to Mkhwebane.
Yes, within a
I
week.
mean, what they're doing to Mkhwebane used to be so respected in the EFF. Now, if you look at her, you wouldn't even know that she was once an advocate. Yes, or a public don.
She must continue to sell those products, Herbalife or whatever that she normally likes.
Oh,
to sell. She must
Betunana.
continue. I'm so excited. Really, I'm so excited. My tears did not fall for nothing. Today, I'm celebrating.
I don't. Oh, Raisibe. Raisibe said she's gonna resign. Chocho Raisibe nditi.
Yes, mabaresign bonke, and
Please
then,
make your closing argument so that I can give Carlos. Carlos, please do not celebrate another man's downfall.
yes, okay. My last comment is that let's not allow Floyd anywhere near EFF, please.
Carlos.
And take me
Yeah.
back.
Ish.
Thank you.
Ish. Do you think we must not take him back, even if he's the ground force? You know,
No.
the funny thing is that even if he can come to the EFF would still treat him better.
No,
They would still treat him better.
yes, we can treat him better, but I do not want him. The only thing we need to, actually, we want to hurt him because he almost destroyed the EFF. You guys don't understand the extent of which Floyd would have destroyed the EFF. We should not ever, if we were to take someone back, is Ndlozi, but not Floyd. Floyd, we can just use him to bring back the vote that we lost from MK, but we must never allow him back in the EFF.
Oh, okay, Stembis. Your bundles have expired, Putwam. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Siswa.
Hey, Carlos, don't celebrate another man's downfall.
I'm not
Carlos.
celebrating. I'm not
Let me
celebrating
caution
anyone.
you.
But okay, I'm not celebrating anyone. But I know someone who has cancelled their Herbalife order because they're gonna lose weight naturally from now on. We've been complaining about their weight and how they can't even sit on a chair. But after today, give them 2 weeks, they'll be the same size as our CIC. I don't know what is eating them, but it's very close there. And this one person almost damaged the image of our CIC, where they started calling our CIC a bully, someone who cannot lead with other people, who thinks he's in charge. And today we must come back and feel sorry for him. No, we don't
No,
like
I'm not
leaders that are
saying
not
feel
decisive.
Carlos. Carlos,
It doesn't matter what you, it depends how you put it.
When people do you wrong, little
I'm not sure how down he is. I need to see him down and then I'll forgive him. But for now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure now if he's done because who knows? Because others they are claiming this is a strategy. So what if this is a strategy that that's what I believe it's not a strategy. So I want to see him apologize. Him outside. We need others to learn as well that loyalty goes a long way.
Guys,
Malema
we
stood
have
on the
got a
podium
forgiving
many
heart.
times. Now I have a forgiving heart.
Why,
Malema stood in an NPA, son, wateta wakala in an NPA about betrayal.
Yeah,
that
I
was not
remember.
nice.
That was
Malema
so
stood
so
in a gala dinner and spoke and told Floyd, the day you got tired of me, talk to me and tell me that I need to make the way. I will do that without a fight. But Floyd did not listen. Instead, Floyd went behind his back and he does this thing. And you expect us to forgive him? No. Or
And did
expect
you
us not to
forgive
feel.
him? Did you
uvela nuzolufumana pha kumamakhe notata ke nakuBrian, not from us. Us fighters, we were hurt when he left. We respected that Mambuka, that one there. He almost destroyed our young talent, Abo Sihle, Nabo Snawo, because of how he mistreated these people. He thought he was going to do the same thing to Amazulu. Amazulu awabhenya wayo nintsamo. Amfundisa isifundo ke manje uzuma indoda yomZulu. Funeka yazi loo nto leyo. That is my submission, Papa.
Ayongcolile Carlos. Modikan, hayi sohamba sesohlala ndizonika. Hey, Modikan, you can come in. Okay, you can come in, Ihlubi. I'm taking it down, Modikan. You can come in, Ihlubi. Shubi, you can come in. Bells, you can come in, and let me caution you, do not celebrate another man's downfall, Bells.
Let me stop you there, Ziz. Let me stop you there. Yeah,
Chris, I
don't usually drink during the week, but I'm drinking right now as I'm speaking to you. I'm celebrating. If weather Cape Town was not raining, I was going to take my braai stand and braai outside.
Aye,
Listen,
Bells.
this Floyd. No, listen. Floyd has cost us 14% year vote.
True.
Seriously.
True.
That is Floyd. That's why we are celebrating. In my entire life, I only saw UCIC cried 2 times.
Yeah.
The funeral ga Winnie Mandela, the time where I said to Floyd, if there's anything that I'm doing wrong at the CIC, then I will step down. Remember when Floyd was announcing, and even the EFF gave him, I would say, a farewell that was very, 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 very beautiful. Not even one single political party, a press conference, yati, there's a member here too on high structure that is resigning. Let's give him a platform to say, but he is resigning. You never go to the ANC, so if you never get that. What I'm trying to say, fighters, I am very happy about Floyd. He is saying, I think it was few days or a week ago. Saying, Floyd is near to his exit post. They will take him and put him to parliament. There in parliament, they'll want to use him. And remember, Nazis, in parliament, we're not going to see the Floyd that we saw in EFF. We'll see a different Floyd. That is very weak.
Apparently, Bells, Floyd asked the MK Ukuti, can he get a committee? Can he select the committee that he wants to go to? I remember it was very effective. You have to be in a committee that you are where you it's your area. Then they refused for Floyd to choose the committee, but they're going to allocate him. What if Bamfaka with sports, arts and culture betunana? Oh, I betunana.
I'm very happy. I'm very much happy. Seriously, I'm very, very, very happy. I'm iPhone as I don't care. No one got a chance of party matches. I don't care. We have been dragged up into a mud, MKP. Let us not run away when Floyd. MKP. Let us not lie about that. Floyd. Because MKP had no direction, Floyd. And Wazama by his own brain to bring MKP to good direction. Then Jacob Zuma saw that, okay, now the MKP maybe is in the right direction. Let's get rid of Floyd. Remember, Tuduzil said, fuck you, Floyd, publicly. Nothing has been done about that. But Floyd went to Bushiri. They are demoting Floyd. Clearly, it was a move. Let us hate EFF by taking Floyd. She's a user up. Let us take Floyd. She's user up MKP. Then when we are done with him, let's throw him away. That's what they are doing. They are just getting rid of Floyd. I'm very much happy. If it was if he pronounced this thing on Friday. If he pronounced this thing on Friday, it was a press briefing or press media, what, on Friday, I was going to be very happy. Seriously. Just like I have to go and DM 7 home, so I can't celebrate too much, but right now, I'm celebrating. I'm saying, Kwaza mkonto, Kwaza, chikichela mkonto, chikichela. Thank you, fighters.
Bells. Risenga, before you come in, okay, no, Shubi, let me give you a chance before Risenga, you can speak.
Okay, inkosi kakhulu. The pictures I see the day of Floyd awayethetha ngayo ukuba uyayishiya i-EFF. Yonke aveki our CIC wayengekho right. Aqala recoverisha kufuneka sisize. No, there's no usize uFloyd utya the fruits isiqhamo esatyalwa nguye, and sisifundo kuye wonke umuntu uyizetheya. So makatye yedwa into ebeyityale yedwa uFloyd. Nasicinga ukuthi ubuhlungu utata uScope Zuma nefamily yakhe by the time uFloyd ekwi-EFF whatever awaye kuZuma. Duzile, they were not happy when they see uLoyd esenza lento wayenza. So now it's revenge in a way le yenzeka kuye. So mna ayikho indawo yakhe right, EFF right ngaphandle kuFloyd. Nkosi kakhulu.
You can come in, Risenga. Oh, Risenga, before you come in, I wanted to say, I remember one day we had a conversation in this live, and I said to Bana, Floyd, there's a chance that he might win in terms of over Duduzile Zuma. It seems like Duduzile Zuma has won. So you can come in, Risenga, you can come in.
Yeah, no, ngiyabonga Zizipho. Yes, I'm not celebrating
Yeah.
because I see a talent falling down.
Yeah.
But I'm not actually gonna allow him, or maybe agree that he should come back to the EFF, because you see, leaving the organization is one thing, but leaving the organization and try to destroy the organization
It's
is
another thing. Yeah.
So this is what the MK people did not understand when we say to them, we don't care when he left us and joined you guys. What we are worried about is him trying to destroy the EFF. So honestly, even in the personal level, if your partner tried to kill you,
Yeah.
there's no way that you can
There's no
forgive
going
him back
back.
into your life. Because what happens is, even if you take him and say he's going to be ground forces, he's going to maneuver there on the grass. He will come with his own people. They infiltrate the branches, they elect each other there, and they grow within the organization. He will still do it. So we cannot allow
We can't give him another chance for him to
No.
step us again.
No, you can't
Yabo.
give a person another
Because
chance
this
to
time,
step you.
uzasichana this time.
This time uyokusika la emlaleni yabona la uyokusika la uzofa khona azi ukuthi la ngisika khona la angeke uzusinde noma bangakugijimisela esibhedlela nge-Arab play angeke ufike uphile laphaya. So I don't agree that he should come back. He should not be forgiven. We just have to forgive him and let him go.
Yeah, I think we must forgive him now. I think now, ndiyamva uCarlos and ndiyamva uBells, but I do think ukuthi, you know what, ujezisiwe kasephansi uthi uthe uCarlos ufuna beyimpulo kalijaco, uCarlos ufuna ngoku yena sose ngoku, and you know another thing that hurts me mna recent, I feel like because of Floyd, we held him in such a high regard and we respected him. You know, when MK does that, it's like they also taking away the
dignity, the
reputation that
respect.
is built over these years, the respect and the value which we were part of contributing towards anyway.
Like a small boy. So you see, the other mistake that I think you are doing, Zizipo, is to undermine Jacob Zuma and think he doesn't know.
And I think
No, that is the mistake that you are making, and this is the mistake that a lot of people are making, and he's dealing with them. So you see, the old man, unlike Julius, when Julius will deal with you publicly, outspoken, but the Zuma will deal with you in silence. So there's a difference, because now people will mistake his dealings with you as a matured, and they will take his dealings, the dealings of Julius Malema, as immature. But this one is a matured one. So they misunderstand him on that fashion. I told you even last week that Jay-Z has got 3 things that he does every time. And this thing, he has been doing it even when he was in the ANC, when he was leading the ANC. Jay-Z, he will deal with you silently. And then what he does, when he act on the people, what the people are saying about you, Zizipho. This is the problem with this kind of a leadership style, Zagazu. So he can put you and say, Zizipho, you are a convener of Eastern Cape, for example. You will be as good there until somebody goes to him and talk about you. When somebody goes to him and talk about you and say, Uyambona Zizipho, she's gaining too much wings now. She wants to take over. She wants to overpower you. I'm telling you, he will find a way to remove you. And that is where he uses his conspiracy theory to accuse you of something. The reason of going to Malawi is not the reason why he is removed. It's not the reason why he's removed. There is another reason behind that. So he will just sit and wait for you to make a mistake and use that mistake. But he's got a reason behind what he's saying to you now. So it's a person that walks left, that talks left and walk right, and talk right and walk left. That is always his leadership style. So into zokuya eMalawi, it's not the reason, it's not the real reason why Jacob Zuma is doing that. Who's Jacob Zuma? And he's also doing, you know why he deals with you silently? It's because he wants to portray this innocent face, that he doesn't know anything. He maintains that innocent face. And the man will put the two of you in the position without you knowing. You know why he does that? Because he wants you people to work very hard to win his heart. And then he also will make you not trust each other. So that if anyone knows the other one is talking about him, will go to him and tell him, that is the way he leads people, the old man. So the old man is very dangerous. Remember, he was a leader of the underground forces of the ANC and the MK for a very long time. He knows how to use this intelligent information to benefit him. He knows how to do. So he divides you, and then he's able to control you. He doesn't want you united. He won't be able to actually deal with you when you are united. He wants to divide it and then be able to deal with you. That's why.
Before your airtime ends, but I'm not going to take it down. We'll come back to you and Bells and others. I want to ask Uguti, a part of me thinks that Floyd is going to destroy them. Floyd is going to come for them because if they thought that he was causing factions, I think he's going to be worse now. So what do you think about that? Just before I give up Pegasus, but I'll come back to you, but you can answer.
What I can say is that you are right, but I can also say you are not right. He will attempt, but it's not going to be successful because MK will destroy itself. He will attempt, and njengoba usho njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi njengoba babahlela phe enkandla, he knows everybody that were brought by fraud by Floyd in MK. He knows all of them. And he knows what they are talking in the social media. Even if he's not in the social, he knows what they are doing. And he knows that there could be a plan from Floyd to actually do that. So, yes, he might attempt to do that. But I think Floyd knows Zuma better than me and you. But if he knows Zuma better than me and you, he will not try to do that. Because he will get, Uzobona, Floyd, if he tries that, Uzobona nje in the few months to come, Uzoktoya remove her from parliament. He will do that. Because Jacob Zuma will remove you, especially a very strong person like Floyd. He won't remove him without putting eyes on him. He will remove him and then put eyes on him and please, because that is how he operates. He put people to look after you. So he removed him and he will put eyes and say, so he will find out if he tries. And then that is the day he will kiss that parliament and say goodbye. So what I'm saying is, if you go to parliament, he is not going to do well there. You're not going to see Floyd that you saw in EFF there. Because remember, the chief whip is the one that delegate jobs to all the members of parliament. Is the one that actually decide who goes to which portfolio. So obviously, if they want to deal with him, and even that lady, Colleen McCovell, she mustn't be comfortable in that one. Wait until somebody goes to him and tell him about her. She's out. That's how he operates. He's a person that is he's not stable. His decisions are not stable. So he's not going to do well. He's going to be frustrated. If he doesn't resign and attempt to do these things that you are saying he might try to do to destroy the MK or whatever, or divide them, they will kick him out very quick. He won't stay there. All these people, there's a mission there to deal with all the people that come from EFF. There's a mission there because he through what we call Advocate Madonsela, Mkwebane. Then he came for Jimmy Mani. Now it's a final nail here because he was the pillar. He was their pillar. Floyd was their pillar, these guys. He removed Floyd. They're not going to last, these people. All of them that come from EFF, they're not going to last there. Thank you.
Sorry to add on what you are saying. Check Google MKP, who has credentials in politics, except Zuma and Floyd. Who else has heavy credentials on politics? Akeko, there's none. There's none. Seriously. Hence, I'm with you when you are saying that. Along the way, Zuma will want to get rid of Floyd because we are here that him and Floyd, if Floyd succeed in destroying the MKP, he will succeed it very, 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 very well. So along the way, within 3 months, 3 months is very, very, very long. They will get rid of him. Seriously.
Thank you, Bells. Asinike ubhekisisa. Bhekisisa come in so that sizonika uthathu.
Ngiyabonga sizi. Hayi ke mina kukho kutheni. Bengithi ngicacise lapho ukuthi washo umsholozi. Athi yena yemfana kethi ngena. Wemfana kethi phuma hayi zimkhalela uFloyd. Ngiyabonga ungikhiphe ungiqathaze wena mfana kethi.
Thank
Washo
you.
umsholozi awuqathaze.
Get it, Dad.
Bona Dumelang.
Please don't
Kwazanani Mkhonto,
Don't start.
Kwazanani Mkhonto,
Tato.
Kwazanani. Skis. Mar mina, I'm happy. I won't lie, Zizi. I'm not saying what I'm celebrating, but I'm happy. And he must not come
Tiger,
back.
you are really happy because I don't know the last time I saw you in this live. So you are really happy.
He must not come back, EFF. He must not even try. But again, something I want to say, Wuti, EMK is destroying itself. So Floyd, if he tries, he'll be only making himself look like a fool. He just stay there as an MP because MK now, how many SGs have they had? Let alone go to their EFF members or what? How many SGs, founding members of the MK, have been chucked out? Even the founding member or president or what of the MK has been chucked out of the MK because of Ubaba or Ubaba Wabo. So Floyd, if he's smart, if he tries to destroy the MK, then I'll know what he was not really a think tank. He should just stay there as an MP, do MK's work and leave it there. Because if he tries, he'll be very, very stupid. But I just want to say, I'm happy, guys. I won't be happy for long, but yeah, I'm happy. Judas Uhambile, a snake in the grass, is gone now, and people can see Wuti, this guy was a snake in the grass. But again, MK didn't do anything wrong, guys. MK followed the EFF constitution. Wuti, if you break the EFF constitution in the MK, you are going to be redeployed or demoted. So MK, you did well. This is the first time I'm going to say MK, you followed your own constitution. You did well. And Mina, I stand by Sis Tutu. Let's not insult Sis Tutu. Sis Tutu is working hard there by the MK guys. Thank you guys. Kalerata kaofela. Fight us.
Yeah,
Some
thank
Konto
you.
Kwaza.
Honorable again.
In Commander Hasi.
Good evening, everyone. Zizipo, thank you very much for this opportunity. I would be honest from my side. I'm celebrating, but partially so. I'm going to celebrate fully, so the day is going to be removed from Parliament. That one I'm going to celebrate. Because the reason why I'm saying so, Zizipo and everyone, I believe, personally, I believe Floyd was given something or was promised something big to bring the numbers from the EFF to MKP. So that plan did not succeed. So imagine if maybe their plan would have worked, what was going to happen with us? And by that time, like, if I can put it in this way, by that time, CIC was very shattered. Imagine if it was in of ground forces and other CCT members being there for him. Because we also, the media was after us, trying by all means to say, no, EFF is done. There is no way EFF can come back from what happened. Floyd has just left them. So people thought, including Floyd, they thought maybe Floyd is in a same level with CIC, of which that is not like that. So they had a belief in him that him coming to MKP, Floyd is going to bring numbers. So that did not materialize. That is why today they don't see any potential from him. And I can tell you, Floyd is not removed because he went there to visit that man. That fake pastor there.
Bushir, yeah.
Bushiri. That is not the reason why Floyd is removed. Floyd is removed because the work that was given to him to bring the numbers to MKP did not happen. So personally, I don't believe, in conclusion, I don't believe that him coming back to EFF will assist us, because we are not going to respect him. He's a sellout and he will remain like that. Even if in a meeting whereby we are going to sit with him, anything that is going to raise is not going to be respected. We are going to say, that sellout to Khalil. So it's not going to happen. We are not going to give him a respect anymore. The only thing that is left for him must go there and start maybe a foundation of something, then deal with that. But politically, Floyd is not going to come back. One thing that is going to happen, and I can guarantee you, we are going to come back to this life to discuss that. What's going to happen with Floyd is going to resign. There's nothing that is left for him in the MKP. He's going to resign, and perhaps he might try to go. I believe ANC is going to recruit him. I believe ANC is going to recruit him so that maybe they can see if they are not going to give him something there. But in a nutshell, Floyd is going to resign from MKP, and he deserved that. Not to say I'm celebrating. I will celebrate full. I will buy a verse of 200 after he's being expelled from the parliament. So politically, Floyd is done. Thank you very much. So it's fine.
Guys, there's a say that says, Ninja Mafai, there's a say that says, and this say, it really, it has happened today, when they say, Turizani said, when you sell your brother, even the buyer cannot trust you. So, Freddie has been dealt with today, and we must celebrate. From that position that he was having in the EFF, the deputy president, betray the organization and go to MKP. And when he was there insulting the organization, speaking bad of this organization. Today he has been sacked. He's not demoted. I hear people that are saying that Floyd has been deployed to Parliament. This guy has been sacked. When you are demoted, you're given another position. So he's nothing. Ufana no Papa Penny now. Today is Papa Penny number 2 in the MKP. So the members of MKP they say the members of MKP they try by all means to say this is a strategic move. There's no strategic move. They're saying that is going to make MKP strong in the parliament. This man has not been given any position. He's going to sit there like any other parliamentarian. He is only going to be given a chance when he's supposed to speak. He cannot just stand up or speak or raise a question. There's a protocol in EFF, and Msholos is looking at him. Or what is his move? There's a speaker that says Msholos is going to check Floyd. The moves of Floyd. Floyd is done. He's done and dusted. What he can do, Floyd, now is go out of the MKP when it's still hot like this. But if Floyd is going to sit down there and think they will feel pity for him, he's going to be destroyed further. He must go and open his stock fairly, come out of MKP. Maybe those members that actual member left with, and also those who actual member they're not agreeing with the decision of the upper structure of MKP, they will follow him. But for now, we're no longer going to hear about Floyd. He's gone, Floyd, gone and forget him. Zuma didn't forget what Floyd did. He has done when he was in the EFF. This is the retirement from Msholos to revenge, and he has dealt with him. Someone said on the issue of Bushiri is not on the table here. It's not on the table. Floyd Msholos wanted to do this. Msholos wanted to destroy the EFF. So Floyd, he get lost. They throw the bait and then he followed. So it's destroyed. We're no longer going to hear about Floyd. This is my submission. Thanks.
Thank you very much, fighters. Mina nje ngiyacelebrate ukuhamba kaFloyd lapho izizipho. Why ngicelebrate? I know Floyd isebenzile duze kwakhe kakhulu, hayi. Usebenzise kabuhlungu uright nje ukuthi lapha abamdemote endle abamdemote. Futhi uFloyd la kaya khona njengamanje I think une honors akayithola lapha eCambridge. Okwakhe ukuthi hamba ayoba lecturer manje. Or ayoba something else lapha eMavarsity because ayikho enye aphezulu nje career yakhe. Uzoba right lapha. Yabona nje eParliament from now on ufailile. Ayikho into azosubmit eParliament because wonke umuntu uFloyd useyamazi sekambheki uthi uFloyd uzothi angeke akwazi ukuvusa uFloyd MK eyedwa. Ezilele nje ubilele MK kumanje angeke aze ngisho eParliament uzofana nabanye kuze kuthiwa ngathi siwe sikakhulu bekangcono lapha kuSG ayiphathelwe yamshini because bekowakho benikiwe. Awukwazi ukuexpel umuntu ka2 as an SG but ingabikho into eyenziwa yipresident ambuyisa upresident ethi ayakwenzekalanga lutho. Okusho ukuthi benganaveli kwayena uFloyd ade kwiMK. Number 2 angiboni kuyinto engaphinda yenze futhi ngeke kwenzeke ukuthi abuye kwiEFF uFloyd. Uright la akakhona. Angeke sisimamukele even nathi ma members besasimhlonipha uFloyd ngalendlela but angeke aphinda ahlonipheke. Uyithatha enye uyinikwa bani value njengama because uvalueless njengamanje. Akahambe I think ukuthi akathola enye position manje. Maybe akaye phesheya eyozama khona impilo or kose kunzima kwipolitiki kuyena akasena political career la eSouth Africa.
Thank you so much. Was that you, Emanuela?
Yes.
I'm taking it down and I'm taking honorable down. Simo, you can come in. I think ubuke wathetha got. Okay, you can come in, Lexi.
Good evening, fighters. Good evening, Ziz. I have mixed emotions. On the other side, I feel a bit vindicated with how Floyd treated us and the behavior he showed on his way out while we gave him dignity and a send off. You can never find it anywhere. Not even a former president, Jacob Zuma, was given that send off by the ANC. But we did, because ours is a fight to restore dignity in a black person. So we did that, but he chose to behave in that manner. Here's the challenge that I'm having. Although I'm happy with what is going on through him. He is continuing to undermine the cause we are into, and this is what we need to not celebrate much, because anyone who looks into all of us on the left who are trying to fight to restore the dignity of a black person and get the economy back and the land, and look into the behavior of Floyd, a person who some month back, not even a year, was standing tall, talking convincingly so, and now he is being dragged on the floor like this. Who would still want to believe much of what we want to spread in the country? And this is where it's getting worrying, that Abu Floyd, we need to sometimes sit down and tell them they must behave, because this does not only affect them, although we need to be happy. And I can assure you, Parliament is going to have field day with Floyd in Parliament again, because they are going to show him flames. To start with, he can't even open his mouth. If one would sit down and want to realize how much embarrassment does to your confidence, you are going to see it through Floyd. Firstly, he's going to struggle to want to even raise a point across. You can imagine Abu Gayton, what they're going to do to him, that bandit. They're going to have the biggest airtime ever, okay, just to poke him. You can imagine all those DA members also. They're going to have a field day with him in Parliament. I'm not yet talking about us. I think we are that much we're that much full of political understanding. I don't think we can mock him as such, but we'll wait to see that. But I don't think we can do that. But as for the rest of these other people I've counted, Abu Gwed, they've already started, by the way, while he was still going through other things. So MK is being a disgrace to us as black people, and we need to call them for who they are. The decisions that they are taking, they are continuing to undermine all of us, and really we need to get worried. But yeah, like the other speaker has said, I too can't wait for the day that he will finally be out of that Stokvel, and we can even send him DMs and say to him, what was it? What was the whole point about now that you are here? I hope we'll get that day soon. So that is just my worry, that what they're doing there in the MK and what Floyd has done, they're continuing to undermine the struggle that we're fighting for. It may look like the struggle really is not worth it, but of course it does. So thank you so much. I just wanted to raise that.
Hayi bafethu, ngiyezwa mina ukuthi abanye benu ba-worried nge-political career ka-Floyd, but at the end of the day uFloyd uzenzile. So thina ngesizulu kuthiwa uzenzile akakhalelwa, kukhalela uzumekile. In the recent days he was busy up and down all the interviews, still trying to act like the smartest guy in the world, still trying to force us into this fake unity, because he knew ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sishayile iphelile indaba yakhe. So uFloyd mina ngeke ngize ngimkhalele. Right now they are saying they are deploying him. They are not deploying uFloyd. Kahle kahle bayamxosha, but they won't fire him just immediately because he's bringing numbers, you see, and he still has that respect from most of the MK members on the ground. So they want him to embarrass himself there in the parliament. Like my brother there, Ulex, was just saying that they're gonna have a field day with him in parliament. So eventually he will make a mistake that he cannot come back from. So that's what they are going to do. But they will not fire him like just fired. So they have to be smart about it, and that's what they did. Mary Party is winning. Mary Party came on and said, wonke ama members we-EFF alapha ku-MK mele ahamba azibone ukuthi uyayaphi. And look what's happened. Jimmy Manyi was deployed naye. Ulontuzana today, Floyd is being deployed. Kusele umkhwebana nalaba abanye bafyunyana laba abanye abangabalekanga. But at the end of the day, Mary Party and Tutuzile are winning. Floyd is on his way out. There's one foot outside the door right now, but they will not fire him. They want him to make a mistake, like he did to George Hlophe when he wrote him that speech. They are going to do that to him right now, and he won't be there and call the shots in parliament. There's a speaker, there's a chief whip now, and then Lontuzana, Bomnitama lapaya, Hlophe lapaya. He won't come just out of the blue and call the shots in. So they want to embarrass him to the point that he quits on his own. They will not fire him because they know he has that respect from the ground forces, and he still has the members that he had brought to MK through EFF. So they will not just fire him. They have played a good move. But he has done what he was there for. Floyd was there to construct the constitution, draft the constitution, and he has done that. He was there to stabilize the MKP, and he has done that. So his role is over. Remember what Julius Malema said in a few days when he was talking to J.H. Taban. He said, look at the people who have helped Jacob Zuma through the way, and look where they are now. Jacob Zuma uses people and then he discards them like tissue papers. And even that fake letter that was circulating in the media was not fake. MKP made a mistake because they always jump a gun, these people. They get too excited and they release stuff before. So that's what they did. He was going around trying to think he can pull a wool over our eyes, but it failed because now it is proven that letter was not fake at all. But yeah, we know the MK people will still defend it and say it was fake. How can it be fake when everything that it said it came to pass? Can it be fake? No, it's not fake. But they jumped the gun, just like they said with that last week. What was it that they released the letter on that it didn't even go to parliament?
Emotion of no confidence.
Emotion of no confidence. They really meant to do that, but they're stupid enough because they get too excited and release letters beforehand. That's what happened with that letter. Floyd knew he was on his way out. Everybody knew he was on his way out. That's why the speaker of MKP did not even go out to defend it or say that this was fake. He had to go out on his own and defend it and say it's fake. He tried to convince us on his own when nobody is helping him as a Secretary General. When he went there to MP, he was supposed to go also with Mkhwebana, but Mkhwebana didn't go. And you also saw that coming. You made a video about this, but people didn't see it because sometimes I want to MK Nabo sometimes. But when you start looking back, you will see everything was making sense all along. They were just waiting for the time, and the time has come. Skatsaka Floyd is pelile manje, and he did well with those interviews on TV. He did well. Those interviews might have also been interviews because after this, he might look for work there on TV. He might also start looking for a job there as a political commentator or something because he won't go to radio. Rosie has already beat him to death. Now he has to go to television. So I'm Khaleli Minu Floyd. And I heard someone saying you will wait to celebrate after
Please
Floyd has been
close your
kicked out of
bundles
the
are running
parliament.
out.
Oh, okay, sharp. Afethu mina ngithi nje ngiyacelebrate already because
Okay,
of Floyd
Carlos.
phelile indaba yakhe vele. Thank you bafethu.
Thank you, K1.
Oh,
To me, you can come in.
kwaza mkhonto.
Gwaza, Commander Morning.
Good evening. Good evening. I heard them saying it's a redeployment.
That's what they are saying. They are lying.
Yeah, this is a demotion because we all know that SG and just a member of parliament, those positions are not the same and they are not equal actually. But my take is Floyd because he was there when they were drafting the policies of MK, and they gave all powers to the president to redeploy and to deploy, to take decisions alone. And I thought Floyd can appeal to the extent that he can oppose those things, but he agreed to those policies, praising Zuma this, Zuma that, singing Zuma this, Zuma that. I was Bolalile Lomjita. Thank you very much. That was my take.
Well, are you speaking, Carlos? I wanted to make a comment. Oh, okay. Yeah, I fully concur with the brothers who have been speaking. You know, I think one of the mistakes that Floyd did was to accelerate the idea of excluding Mary Paddy. Remember, Mary Paddy is very powerful. And from the Mpumalanga region, she has, you know, everything intact. And the powers of MKP are in KZN and Mpumalanga. So Mary Paddy is the head, and Mary Paddy has the numbers from Mpumalanga. So Floyd pushing for the installment of Busisiwe, I think, was one of the bad moves that got him into this situation. But right now, he's going to be more embarrassed in Parliament, not only by people who will be mocking him, but then even the ideological differences from him and the EFF, because he is going to find guys like Abolo and Sinao who are going to intellectually outsmart him in front of the whole country. That's when people will start realizing that Floyd is not that smart, and then he's going to lose the dignity. He's going to even start doubting himself, because he will get into a heated argument, and then the fighters hate each other. And then Yena, on the other hand, he does not have the brains that will back him. It's either those who have the knowledge will intentionally keep quiet because they are not on his side, or others who might even wish to back up him won't have necessary intelligence or cognitive level to back up him. So he's going to struggle. Where he's going, it's going to embarrass him furthermore, because he is going to encounter the people that he used to suppress in the EFF, the people whose voices he used to suppress using his historical engagement in the EFF. Remember guys like Abo Sihle, they were there, and then they were forced to listen to him when he was in the EFF, because he would tell them that I've been here, I know what's happening. But today, now, if they meet him in Parliament, they're going to show him flames. He's going to see flames. He's going to even regret why he even went to Parliament, you see. And then in terms of Abu Tutu, you know, I believe it's Zuma who is pushing Floyd out now. Because all along, I think the last time we spoke, we said Tutu does not want Floyd, and everyone does not want Floyd. It's only Zuma blocking them, saying, no, let him stay a bit. Now he intentionally withdraws, and he lets the dogs beat him. You know, he does those things. You know, he did.
Yeah,
even
now
when
he's no longer protecting and saying hi. Yeah.
he's like, no, the job is done. You can chow him, guys. And then he retreats. Remember, even with our CIC, Zuma had to let Ramaphosa expel them, but it was him. So he does have that, you know, approach whereby he will just let the dogs eat you. So with Floyd, he is on his way. I believe, you know, the best thing he could do for himself now is to resign and go to the ANC. because that's where he can only fit in. But then it's dangerous to the ANC because Mbalula does not want anyone who is far much leftist. You want to be the only leftist there. You want to be the only radical one. So he might not fit in as well. So Floyd is in a serious danger, and they intentionally destroyed his career. It's so painful. So MKP is an organization that does not care about the people. It just cares about itself, because they were aware that when they are taking Floyd, they will destroy careers of people. Imagine people like Abondlozi, they were victims of that process, just for MKP to have a constitution. Now Floyd drafted the constitution for them. They don't need him anymore. They start sidelining him, and they don't want him anymore. And he won't fit in there. Believe me, in parliament, a year is going to be too much. He's not going to last there. And if he did not resign, MK might just recall him. Remember, MKP just recalled members. An organization that can just recall 10 members out of the blue, without anything happening. So with Floyd, he's just a small fish in the sea. They will just recall him at any given time. So the best thing he can do is to just resign now and start looking for something else that would make him survive and save himself some embarrassment, because one way or the other he won't survive in parliament.
So Brian, do you think MKEP issumishe yana Floyd and then now yana decide to modamba just because of Baba or no, now yana remudirishi? So now we need to dump him. And then so this guy go commander in chief. Afika kopela maitshwarelo, sola pride a kopa tshwarelo. Those members, they will never just give him a chance again or no. Okay, we understand the situation here, go MPK or no.
No, they are not even supposed to try that. That would kill the organization. My brother, this is what we're looking at. When you are building a house, my brother, you start with the foundation. Let's say you are building a house in a place that is muddy. You start with the foundation, you use stones. On top of stones, you lay bricks. So now when the stone want to get on top of a brick, you won't agree with it, right? So Abo Floyd, yes, they participated in building the organization, but they were the foundation. Their intellectual contributions ended there. So now when the guys like Abo Sinau come on, they are contributing beyond what Bo Floyd contributed. So when Floyd comes back, he will pull back the organization because he will want to say to those guys, no, I was here before. I built the EFF, so you must listen to my ideas. He will want to suppress the ideas of the young, vibrant youth. Yabona Lady Chiro, Abo Sinau Tambo, Abo Sihle Lonzi, they will suffer if Floyd is to come back because he will want to use his historical engagement with the EFF and say, we founded the EFF, we know where it's going, your ideas are not good. You get the point. So his ideas are no longer matching the current level of the EFF. So we cannot take him because cognitively he does not have a match anymore. His age mates were Abo Dalimpo, Funabo Ndlozi, they are no longer there. So the people who are there now, they can't compete with him. They are way beyond him, in terms of intellectual level. I believe you have heard Abosi now, their cognitive level is very high, my brother. So Floyd cannot come in not only because CIC forgave him or the members forgave him, no, because the intellectual level is no longer at his level. He is too low to cope into the EFF currently because he is only in the level of the MKP. So he can only be there. He can survive there. So bringing Floyd to EFF now, it's similar to just taking a child at the primary school and taking them to varsity and think they will survive. They won't survive. You see that, my brother?
No, I understand just because of negativity to interview mo TV after Pasnom suspend the more position I'm not
Please
doing
mix
any-
my man. Please
No,
mix
he
my
said- Yeah. No, after the interview, they respond again saying, no, I'm not going anywhere on MPK. So I'm going to stay on MPK. Whatever, I will be the member of MPK. Whatever the position they are going to give me for now, I'm going to accept as a member of MPK because this thing the member of MPK did today is just to teach a lesson as a members of the party.
You understand me?
It's not even a lesson. My brother, this thing is not about Floyd going to Malawi. No. The Bedley have been there all along.
That is why he asked a simple question. He say, is it a crime to visit Malawi, to see the pastor at Malawi? Is it a crime?
It's not even about Malawi. Malawi is just used as an example, as an excuse.
Okay. Now I understand.
Ngola sipeni chance wathola guys. Can we wathola besithethini?
Yes. So now you know what
Okay, Gqibezela Brian.
Oh, let me just complete and to go currently. It's because Floyd. Okay, it's because Floyd is the one backing up Busisiwe Mkhwebane in Mpumalanga.
Aibo, did you guys see?
And now the presence of Floyd will mean the strength of Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Yet the absence of Floyd will mean Mary Party will automatically take over.
What about us? What about us?
Yeah, you can come in. Brian, hold it. Your network is bad. Alcola, you can come in and then okay, Njangisa, come in first and then Alcola.
Ntashinga, you mean like Ntashinga, not Njangisa, Ntashinga, you mean?
Ntashinga, sorry.
Of course. No, thank you, my leader. But I don't understand one thing. Why is it that the EFF is being drawn into the whole MK saga? We've got nothing to do with the MK. Floyd is no longer our party. He's the party of the MK now. I don't understand why people must draw the EFF into all this. Whether EFF will accept him or what, consider him, reconsider, or the case may be. We've got nothing to do with the Floyd. People must discuss their own issues. We've got nothing to do with this whole thing. They must leave the EFF out of this whole MK Floyd saga. We've got nothing to do with this. Don't draw EFF into all this. See whether the ground forces they accept him or not. We've got nothing to do with this. Floyd is the saga of the MK, is the saga of Jacob Zuma. But anyway, everyone knows there is no one who's been with Jacob Zuma who's been on a good side. Everyone who's been with Jacob Zuma has been sidelined. Jacob Zuma has never been good to anyone. Jacob Zuma has never been a good leadership to anyone. So don't draw us into the whole saga of Floyd. Leave the EFF out of this. Thank you, my leader. Amandla. Feel and Dogwani, Slibeng, what 17. Thank you. EFF. Fail.
Yeah, Zizi. Molen guys, Yazi, I have been looking into this thing and trying to prove myself right or wrong in terms of why was Floyd demoted. I look into it in three sections, like how I look into it. It is true that Floyd was demoted because of his visit to Malawi. I think we need to look at it this way. Number one, there are factions in the MKP. Number two is the question whether Zuma is still in full control of the MKP or not. And then the last one should be this trip to Malawi. Yazi, when Floyd crossed the floor to the MKP, a lot of people were not happy with it. I mean, we've seen Duduzile Zuma, we've seen her brother joining forces with Duduzile Zuma against Floyd to an extent that they said a lot of things that were suggesting that they do not like him at all, insulting him and doing everything. That is point number one. And what happened, those people were compelled to apologize. They did apologize, right? And then you look at it again, Mary Party, the National High Command expelled her. She was no longer a member. Mary Party said, over my dead body. Mary Party is still convening Mpumalanga province, and then later they say, no, it's fine, work together with Busisiwe Mkhwebane. That woman said, over my dead body, it's not going to happen. And she's been divisive for the political party in public, saying that Floyd must in fact leave the MKP, because that's what they've been calling for, saying that wherever he goes, they do not care. he must just not be in the MKP. So this demotion is still not the end of the battle when it comes to them, because they don't want those people from the EFF in there, because look at it. That's where the term Amambuka and Bomafikizolo emerged, because of those factions. And again, now Zuma's seems to be losing control of the MKP. Why am I saying so? Because Zuma has got a lot of loyalists, people from all stakeholders across, and people from the ANC. And the people from the ANC and the people who started this MKP with him, who felt insulted when they brought Floyd this side to come and rule them. And nonetheless, for Zuma to keep this party afloating, he had no choice but to sacrifice Floyd Shivambu. That's the saying of one must die for many to live. So Zuma didn't want the political party to collapse at the fastest rate as it is now. So he had to please those people, because imagine if those people who were supporting Zuma from back in the days and within the ANC era, and who have started, have decided to abandon Zuma and say, okay, be left alone with your Floyd. Then what happens? There's no more MKP at all. It has totally collapsed. So they had no choice but to let the men be demoted. Because I mean, guys, also there are trust issues. I mean, you've seen what Duduzane Zuma said. So, I mean, look at the relations that Floyd Shivambu had with Julius, and you sell out. I mean, it's something that the selloutism of this guy Floyd did not start in a month, 2 months. It started way back, because you can't just wake up and decide to dish the party that you formed yourself. It has been brewing there. Now the question is, if he managed to do that, what is he going to do to us? So there are trust issues as well. So this one now, Floyd went to visit, because Floyd twice, he says in 2 interviews, yes, Zianda Ngobo, Newsroom Africa, and Mzwandile Mbeje, he said Jacob Zuma and the National High Command team knew about his visit in Malawi. He further says that was a political deployment, if I had visit. Now the question is the political deployment at church, or was there a meeting with other politicians outside of the church? But why did he have to go to the church if he says that was a political thingy, which means Jacob Zuma knew about it? So guys, now the reality is, demotion of Floyd Shivambu by virtue of visiting Malawi is totally ruled out. There's no such a thing here. Why was he not compelled to apologize like others? Why was he just demoted? I mean, other people broke the constitution and retributive justice was applied on them. Why not Floyd? What is so special about Floyd?
Mary Pat is breaking laws even today. She had an interview today, Mary Pat.
Exactly.
Oh.
I mean, he went on national TV and said, that one of Floyd, we don't want him anywhere. So Amambuka must continue booking each other. But yes, there's something that I want to raise up, and guys, discuss something that hit my mind. For me, it seems like Ududu Zuma is fighting battles with Julius, because it seems like she's in disagreement with the destruction of the what is this thing of the EFF. I'm sorry for saying what is this thing. It's just that of our organization. Don't you think Duduzile Zuma is fighting the CIC's battle? Thank you very much.
Actually, CIC is not happy with this. CIC, whenever there's something happening, I watch his moves on Twitter. He has not retweeted anything. He only retweeted one tweet. It was just a simple tweet. Visit Floyd has been removed because he went to Malawi. CIC tweeted. He has not retweeted anything. He has not participated. So I think that CIC, I don't necessarily think he feels happy for what's happening. I think CIC feels like me in this situation. Yes, I don't like Floyd. I don't like what he did, but I still feel like MK did him dirty. I think CIC feels the same. I think he feels I think he feels sad for him, and knowing how far they've come and how hard Floyd has worked for his reputation, and now it's just taken away by useless people who just came out of nowhere. You can come in, Brian. I saw you unmuted your mic.
Okay. I wanted to deliberate on Dudu since my brother Tola was mentioning. You know, I think for Dudu, it's not necessarily defending the EFF, but about Dudu things of that organization. If you remember about Dudu, about Nhlamulo, they were the thinkers. It's their ideas that were also taking the center stage there. So when Floyd came there, he comes with this notion of wanting to make them feel like what they've been doing there is nonsense. That's where the war started. That's where it all started. So that's why it sounds like when she's fighting hand in hand with us. That's what we call comradeship, my brother. If myself and you, Tola, have the common enemy, we fight together, we assist each other in fighting that enemy. But it doesn't mean we are friends, and it doesn't mean we like each other. No, we are comrades. That's what.
Excuse me, Brian. Sorry to interject.
Trying to lean on us as well, you know, in terms of her actions, because she was expecting some sense of support, of which she did get from the ground forces. You know, ground forces love. Yes, my.
No, it's fine. And I think you quickly ruled me out in response because I was going to say, if you are saying that we have a common enemy, that basically means she is fighting hand in hand with us. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. And why?
In network, continue. Actually, Brian has got network issues.
Okay, and why again did Dudu find it in her heart to, when she is fighting, associate or use the name of the CIC and that of the EFF? Because she's been saying a lot of things about the EFF. Try me boys, Julius Malema, posting pictures of Julius Malema. And these things happens while she's fighting Floyd. Before they fought with Floyd, there was no such. So that is my question, to say that, yes, I think someone can come and maybe rectify me.
Okay, can I speak? Hello.
Okay, come in, Sithole.
All right, thank you so much, Zippo. Maybe just to also. Okay, all right.
Your network is bad, Brian. Come in, type Sithole. Your network of Brian is really bad.
All right, thank you, Zippo. I just want to take you back to what you were talking about, e-reaction, Yaka, CIC. I think it's very genius of you to put that down. I feel like he's also feeling bad. In as much as we might have a bad blood for Floyd, Sinekuti, no, man, they did him dead. You know, I'm speaking from a perspective as a student myself. You know, when you go to the exam with a high participation mark, utingi to the 80, then in the exam you just need 40. Then you don't get the 40 sub minimum, utoli 8, utoli 20, then you don't even pass the module. And those feelings are just said, you're like, hey, but I had this, I had it in the bag, manje. All of a sudden, it's just gone, because let us be honest, this is a demotion. They can't lie about it. It's a demotion in black and white. Everyone knows it. And for them to actually raise the Malawi issue is trying to think that the South African citizens are crazy. They can just bamba us and close our eyes. No, we know the real issue. Zuma is very dirty. And I also think that the CIC has also been put on the flashlight, that we have to now, at a point, respect his intellect when he speaks, because he speaks from experience. He won't ask about Jacob Zuma, or he does dirty his people. And people were like, he's just speaking from a point of bitterness, of which it's not, because it's now evident. Floyd has flopped. And it's very sad, in effect, that we can't even laugh. You know how painful it is. We can't laugh at Floyd, because to me, as much as he betrayed us, but he's a very good politician, and to some extent his intellect are valuable to the South African politics, and not only South African politics, but the African politics. So I don't know how he rebuilds this one. Seeing his interviews, he kept on saying he's optimistic, he will continue being a general member in Mkondo Wesizwe, but I highly doubt, because of a person of his caliber to be put on the sub line like that and on a substitute to be a member of parliament in J. He's not even a whip. He's just a member. Uyakhuluma kuphela. So I even wonder which committee he will sit on. That's some other things that we have to think of, but it's very sad and I don't know. The CIC is also emotional like that. I can agree with you, Zipo. Thank you so much.
Sifaki kobo emotional bakhe silimele.
Impela, my brother. I don't
Hayi
feel
noma nganifaka mna CIC sibe set sobabini.
nje mina ngikho said I don't
But
want to
can I come in, please?
Come in, Carlos. Guys, please allow Carlos.
To this in Mina, I actually believe Kuti Ututu really admires CIC, and I think she was looking forward to the unity of MK and EFF. Not to say that they must merge, but working together on the progressive side. That's the only person actually that I felt like in the MKU. That's what he wants. That wanted that unity. Others, they don't want that unity. They really hate CIC. But I think what CIC did during the time when Zuma was getting arrested and all this thing, when he went there and begged him to go and attend that inquiry, that came from a point of from a place of love. I don't think that Dudu took that for granted. But I wanted to say this before going away from this and Kakolan. Zizipho mnandi blame wena, and MK people, they watch MK leaders, they watch your live or they watch your videos. When now you gave them a bullet that they were not sure if they have. You pointed out constitution yabo behavior ka Floyd. They took the same bullet.
When I posted that video, I remember they all defending it's his personal capacity. Wara. It has nothing to do with the party. Kona ngoba mexpela ngayo.
Ekugqibeleni nguwe obanike la bullet. La bullet iyambulala uFloyd. Sukhala inyembezi zomuntu olimenemene. Uyavuya kwa ujongo yasitha nosiniza because uthendwe ngekhona. You gave them a bullet to kill Floyd. Floyd now is dead because of the shot that you gave them. Anyway, let me submit that, make space for others.
Thank you. Unqanawe guys. Akago unqanawe se ICU guys. When can I'm sending a message? Akago. Uyika no ithetha uba ufila njani because mhlambe ebethetha nami in confidence but he's not okay son and samsizeli.
Abavelanto
ngibona
Please come in, agree himina. Please request my brother. Please request.
Uncanawe mabavelanto basivisa yona uthi uvuke ekseni uyodefender uvuke emini uyadefend kusasiphilela udefender cha mabadefende igame yabo.
And indlela esasithi but one thing about fighters, if you go to war, make sure that you are in the side of fighters because fighters, they will defend.
With all that we have.
No, please request my brother. Please request. Let's talk, man.
Uhlise mna makangena uncanawe ndifuna umva.
Mchororo no onke ngenani guys so that ndizopha abanye chance.
So before you finish, can I just say something? There is a letter that ilinkile, but Floyd must come home. EFF, which was written by Julius. After Floyd was shown
fake news, Rose. That's fake news, my brother.
If you believe that means you're not a member of the EFF. Onke, please come in. The October gift. Gena Onke. Gena Stamford. Okay, ngana wengena ndabatoba banganya because abathethi.
Ungenile ngithethe manje.
Wethethe.
we are giving
So I just wanted to say, Zizibo.
You are bleeding.
Chris, wait. Ngena, Stone.
All right. So Zizipo, so now I'm saying, maybe as analysts ourselves, let's ask this question. Kuti, who is then going to replace Floyd as Secretary General of the Mkhonto weSizwe? And what now for Floyd? Because we can't just think someone who's going to replace him is just a no, but I think it's also a strategic, like they had someone on standby, because removing a big rock and just put maybe a small stone is not a very genius decision that the MK can do. So I think we should also analyze that. Who do they have as standby to fill in?
Mfeka is on standby. Mfeka is on standby. And Juba Mfeka, they're definitely putting that guy back in.
So also, will it be genius for EFF to welcome Black Floyd, not as a leader, but maybe as a general member when he decides to then remove?
Ayisithole phuma kulokona sidiscuss asimfuni subuza sasinemental breakdown apha singakwazi nobhali exams subuza.
The politicians hamba fast, we have to know. Thank
iphelile time yakho ngena nqanawo.
Wezi unjani?
Hey,
nama fighters.
I'm not gonna lie, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kancane. I'm not gonna lie.
No, you see ukuthi wena i-organization futhi masithatha i-decision sithatha i-decision. So I always trust ama-decisions athatha uJacob Zuma. You see ukuthi at some point in the eve of election uJacob Zuma fired uJabulani Khumalo. Hey, sasithukile eceleni ewenzani ubaba manje in some of us we didn't know what is happening there yabona. But at the end of the day kwabonakala ukuthi i-decision kababa was correct.
Now, do you think that decision is taken by ubaba or it's taken by uDuduzile Zuma? Be honest.
No, angicabangi mina ukuthi ubaba ngesipiliyoni akanaso can be influenced by aboDuduzile nabonhlamulo. I don't think so. Ukuthi understanding yakhe yepolitiki would never be influenced by aboDuduzile, not unless ubaba mhlapeni i-old age catch up naye, of which angicabangi yabona. So ubaba is always strategic, even the way akayihandlishe ngayo nje this issue kaFloyd yabo, kodwa nje I cannot lie.
Do you really think uFloyd upususwe or udimotwe because of iMalawi? Just be honest with us. We will give you reasons, Tina, why we think that is ruled out. Sifuna uva kuwe mntu MK.
Wandoda thina sizwa nge-leadership ezinye izinto ama-speculations maningi, but i-leadership ithe imremovile because of ini bathe yini Zizipho
ndandenze ividiyo nindiphikisa ndisithi ndikhowutha i-constitution yenu nathi hayi ayikho loo nto i-leadership ekikhothela ntona ndiyikhowuthile.
So but-ke wena mhlapeni wena axole yomatheve enye information, but mina ngizothatha information enginikezwe i-leadership ukuthi uhambe waya le, so kunama-civil societies abhalile ofithi uyabona nje khona ukuthi hawu kuyambambathwa, there are many things yabona. Even the celebrations enzakalayo uMkhonto weSizwe from some of the people.
I just saw members of Mkhonto weSizwe bayabribe bashathi ishampompo. They are celebrating ngathi nje kwenzeke into engingayazi.
Yintoni nje leyo yabona. So ileyo nto leyo ibuye ikwenza ukuthi labantu bethu manje benzani yabo. Ukuthi abantu benzani ukuthi ngake remove umuntu kuze kulentuzwa ama-champagne yabona. It's hurting yabo. So wonke umuntu want to be part ye-organization ezoba ne-stability once you see ukuthi yabona first ukuhlezi kuliwa kwipolitiki yabo, but mase kuliwa public yabona
demoralize leyo nto somewhere somehow uyabona, but i-plotting khona ukuplot abantu bepolitiki angeke baze bayeka ngoba nakwi-DA kuyaplotwa nakephi kuyaplotwa, but taking ama-fight ukuthi inwayise public, we as members yabona, especially esingenama-position esingenalutho yabona, asiyithandi leyo nto yabona.
Lerato wants to ask you a question. We can ask Lerato. Oh, no, Brian.
Ukhuluma bhuti uNqanawe. Cha lo wami umbuzo ubuthi uyabona ukuthi
The
lento
next, your volume is down. That's why ungavakali Lerato. Continue, Brian, and then Lerato.
Okay, uyabona bhuti uNqanawe lento ye-MK ayisebenzi iyadilika i-MK manje kungcono ubuphambili ngcono uzovotela ngapha ama-fighter mfowethu.
We Brian ngeke ngathi mangikhuluma la ngathi mina I always trust the judgment ka President Zuma yabona.
Hayi usemdala omkhulu so wemkhulu
so wena uconclude uthi iMK yadilika oranjani, I think mhlawumbe uzobona nje in coming days there are by elections whereby uzobona ukuthi there is no such. So every political party will go some stages whereby kungeke hleze kumnandi, so it's just a political stage, painful as it is, but into ezodlula nje, and then iMK will be a stable organization.
Hayi bafo angali kodwa phela nomkhulu semdala if we only rely on
the host,
it won't work.
Sifo, good evening.
Smart, wait, we're still busy. You'll come in. Nqanawe, I have a question for you. Why Floyd was disciplined, right? And Floyd's situation was after Yaga Duduzile. So why has Duduzile not been disciplined as yet? But I'm disciplined and Duduzile.
No, the issue ka SG was ibihendlishwa ama officials ne ibihendlishwa ama officials while issue ka Duduzile is with the DC ne. So if uyayilandela iMK kiwonke amacala angenile kulonyaka alapha kwi DC akukho ngisho elilodwa icala sebeliconcludeile, so basabashushisa kwi DC. So i-issue ka Floyd ibihendlishwa ama officials and ama officials athatha i-decision yabona.
Nqanawe unjani bhuti wami?
Sure Chris.
Bhuti wami, like let's just be honest, me and you. If EMK was like any other political party where people raise people's names and we have vote, do you think Floyd would have won the SG position?
Wedot indaba yama conference ngine reservation kakhulu ngayo ne. So indaba yama conference kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe umuntu upresident especially kuma parties nje afana nawe upresident can just decide isilete sonke ngoba normalement decide isilete if kuthiwa bekune conference kuthiwa kade kune conference and then uPresident Zuma uprefera uFloyd was going to be voted in as SG. So indaba yama conference nje manipulatewa leyanto leyana. Ama conference can be manipulated and end up nama leader engawachuzile.
Bafo, but do you realize that you are not answering me? Fine, now that you are running away, does Floyd enjoy a popular vote amongst the members of MK in large numbers?
Oh, kunzima ndoda ukuthi ngaconclude lapho because leadership is leadership. Angeke usho ukuthi is enjoying support is enjoying support against who? Because we are not going to conference. So was just running a political party, so you cannot say ukuthi is enjoying support. Obvious ama comrade abe support umsebenzi wakhe as SG. Some were against.
Do you think it was a fair decision that was made by whoever who made the decision to remove Floyd from the SG just because he went to Malawi. Do you think it was a fair decision?
You see, comrade Brian, on a fight to Brian. So I'm repeating myself now, but it decision have been taken by leadership, So my opinion doesn't matter. Either I'm disagreeing with the decision or I'm agreeing with the decision. Doesn't matter, but the decision have been taken by leadership. Mine is very simple. Ne? It's just ukuthi ngisupport decision ye leadership. Regardless ukuthi ngifila kanjani ngayo, angifili ke right. But kufanele le decision support as a disciplined member of the organization.
No, you gave me the answer. You said I'll feel it right, meaning you think this is not a good decision that was made by the leadership, right?
Yeah, I think we are correct.
Now, so this means you can agree with me that it's not only the Malawian issue. All along, there were battles that were inside the MKP, which led to Floyd being removed in that position. It's not only because of Malawi. Do we agree on that one?
Unfortunately, as angazi noma network yakho on Brian.
Yeah, we network up Brian imbi. I'm sure it can't be a count.
On the same issue,
ngithi kwena njengoba ungavumelani nokuthi wena asuswe esikhundleni ngalendlela asuswe ngayo, kusho ukuthi uyavumelana nokuthi kukhona ezinye izinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi, izimpi eziliwa ngaphakathi ezidale ukuthi asuswe laphaya, akuyona yodwa indaba yaseMalawi. Uyavumelana nalokho?
No Brian, musu kungifunza ile ntozi. Mina ngithi if I was part of those people abathatha ama decision bengeke ngize ngithi kodwa phela I leadership they know izinto esingazazi thina as ground forces, yabona. So I cannot say ukuthi angivumelani nezinto engale, kunezinto right singazazi as members ezaziwa I leadership, and the leadership once they arrived with decision, you know you belong to the political organization, Brian, you know very well, not wonke ama decisions azothathwa I leadership usukuvumelana nawo, you know very well. So not what everything enjoy EFF in usukuvumelana nayo, but I leadership sometimes they take a decision uyibothe le decision ngathi wrong, but there's nothing you can do. It's a democratic centralism.
No, in your statement you said something. You said leadership knows something that you don't know. Meaning there is something that is happening within the organization that seeks to sideline Floyd. Meaning, in other words, it is safe to say actually the MKP leadership never wanted Floyd. They just wanted to use him. Now that they are done using him, they are pushing him away.
When daughter, it's just your opinion, so I cannot ngiyiphikise or comment ngayo. It's just your opinion. Awucabange nje ungifunza ama opinions akho ngiyagoa ngapha ngicabanga ukuthi uyangazi go live. You could hear my voice.
On the same issue, didn't Floyd say he was sent to Malawi by the president of MKP? Manje bamxosha kanjani uFloyd bekathunywe ubaba eMalawi?
I think Chris, you didn't listen to those press conference ne? Laphayana
in the same breath.
Laphayana bakhala ukuthi
konke nje sokuphelele bhuti. Ngithi uzongiphendula konke nje sokuphelele mase ngicela ukukhuluma. uFloyd uthe bekathunywe ubaba Malawi on a political program. 1. 2. When Floyd came back, MKP or Ubaba released a statement to say Floyd can go to any. Actually, Ubaba released a statement and said Floyd can go to any church that he wants. Manje bam Timotelan, as actually said after having said he will not apologize for going to any church. Kwenzakalani kanti kuleyo inhlangano yethu babathi yenu put, because now there's too much confusion. He says he was sent. The president said no, he's fine to go there. Now he's being demoted. Now he is apologizing for going to Malawi.
Uncanawe uthe uyagowa bandla. And I mean, you know what? I feel even more sad for Uncanawe than uFloyd. Like, Uncanawe must be SG. Mina Uncanawe, I would have voted for you to be SG, Shem.
udlala ngami position engaka. Yazi ngibhedi kanjani ngisho ekubhaleni statement. That's why ngi-enjoy kuba u-chairperson khona ngizoyimemezela.
No, but when I put Nganawe, why when I ugowa uFloyd yena happy he can go to any position?
No, you see when I Chris ngoba ngeke nga explain ngithi every member ye organization ingathanda ukubona umuntu onjengo Floyd kwi position enkulu kwi party yakhe beside that so it's very important ukuthi organization ibe stable nje yabona sibe ne leadership stable ikhethiwe or reappointiwe. So uFloyd you know very well ukuthi une weight kangakanani kwi politics yase South Africa. Even today every media space is speaking about Floyd, so it shows ukuthi une weight kangakanani kwi politics
But do you realize
he came with the political capital enkulu to the MK, so that capital I think ukuthi we still needed it in that office yabona. That's why.
But for on the same breath, do you realize that uFloyd hagana branch leya belonga kuyo and hagana masupporter abamlandelayo? Penny's got more supporters in his hometown where he comes from than uFloyd. Mabangati uFloyd, go back to your branch. Which one is Floyd's branch, Baf?
Hey, it's up to wena ukuthi conclude ukuthi uFloyd akanama supporters akana branch akanani. I'm not sure either usebenza office le region eGauteng, maybe you know very well ukuthi i-branch kaFloyd ayikho lapha eGauteng, but I don't think ukuthi iqiniso. It's just you engathanda uFloyd as a person.
For you,
no, I served with Floyd many years ago at Vets. So me and him know each other. We've got no qualms. So I've got no qualms with him. It's his political choice. But I'm just saying, if we are to count numbers, agana branch. Shabafu. When Floyd is happy to be redeployed in any position that EMK chooses.
Now, my last remark to you is that, you know, my brother, for you to stop defending, oza ku EFF mfowethu, kusekhaya lana. Order, we have a free t-shirt for you. You're going to work with us. Stop stressing yourself in the MKP wafo. Yeah,
Brian. So ngivotela uMalema mina.
Why are you individualizing an organization? Why?
EFF man ngashintsha uMalema, maybe we can consider joining EFF. So nje ngivotela uMalema.
Now, you cannot say in a revolution, you use it to fight your own personal battles. You hate Malema just because when esasegu ANC, this and that. It's an old story, my brother. If you are revolutionary and you care about the society.
Oh, uyasazi isitori sakhe ubakhetha ubheke umntwana bakhetha what.
Yebo, isake sasikhalelayo namanje. It's a personal thing.
Mara uma ngabe bekuya ngaloko ngehistory uZuma naye bekungamelanga am-accept uFloyd uma ngabe
Yes, very true.
Uma
very
ukuthi wena
true.
yabona nje
Uqinisile lethu, my brother.
Among Floyd says he applied, but all the evidence shows that he was recruited. uFloyd akanaqiniso uthe ubaba aye eMalawi makasuka lapho uyaxolisa. Uyabona ukuthi he's got a pattern of lying uFloyd.
So nganawe, my brother, wenze njani? Uyayifuna membership ukuphi ndoda directive?
Hey, don't nje ungalinge ngisho ucabange. Mina nguzuma true and true kakhulu kufana kithi. Yabona nje ungalinge nje ngisho ucabanga ukuthini, yabona. So I will never join EFF. And so uyabona nje kumkhonto wesizwe dawe ngilandela umkhonto wesizwe ngayo kunama organization amaningi kumkhonto wesizwe ngaphakathi PCC bani. I'm not even joining those organization. Ngiwumkhonto wesizwe nguJacob Zuma.
Ngisho Duduzane abasho ukuba uJacob Zuma. Uyabona nje ukuthi uyayibhayizisa manje bafo. Yeka lento leyo bhuti womntwana. Kodwa la EFF.
Wengana mfethu yazi sishota ngama-Q marshal ngoba ngeke sikunikeze isikhundla esiphezulu. Nje sifuna ama-Q marshal. Yabona masina marali sibeke wena lapha bhuti wami yazi.
Wetshena ukuthi lesi sipiliyoni enginaso kwipolitiki saleminyaka emingaka ungafika uyongenza iQ marshal. Do you know me nje oqala?
Mamela bafu. Okay. Let's say fine. Given this young boy who's leading the student command, do you think you can go toe to toe with him in terms of politics and
ama-strengths wethu nepolitiki yethu ayifani. Into yokuqala mina sengi-outgrowile ipolitiki ey'children. Okokuqala nje lokho. Yabona? So manje mawuzongibeka nama-student uthi angiyopolitika nama-student angikwazi ukuthi usho ukuthini, yabona?
Bafomana uyabona manje uyageja. Because ma umekutshela ngolonzi, ulonzi uhlala eParliament and uhlala nabo bonke abantu. EParliament akuna student akunabani, ama-members of Parliament. So awukwazi uku-outgrow i-politics kalonzi because manje kushuthi wena usu-outgrow iParliament. Uyabona bafu ukuthi MK yakulahlekisa ikufaka ehlathini lento. Webafo ngiyakutshela mfowethu okugcina. Ozojoyina i-EFF uzothola ukuphila.
Uyapeta wena.
Ngakhokhela membership mfowethu. Mhlawumbe ubhulawe awuzame nge-t-shirt kanjalo ube right mfowethu. Phela usiyabona ukuthi uphathe kabuhlungu kanje manje asazi ukuthi ubuzosa unjani. Ngoba manje sesiyastressa manje nathi ngenxa yakho.
Impela Nkosi.
Fighter. Man, I think earlier on, good evening, I'm a fighter. It's my first time coming in. But the one thing I would like to ask Ama Fighters, this thing here of concentrating on my brother Nganawe and trying to kind of like convince him. It's kind of like derailing and it's gotten a potential of contaminating the good spirit that I wanted to come in and applaud of engagements. Many times I would listen to this Sizipo. One thing I must give credit to all Ama Fighters and the participants in this podium is that I observed the highest level of discipline, respect to one another, and a very, very, very peaceful engagement where we share and we don't even outsmart each other in terms of trying to, portray our engagements. And that's one culture that I've seen growing in many times. So I would like to submit to all of my comrades to say, guys, let's not be excited in trying to chase my brother Nganawe. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it well, my brother, but and say, comrades, I'm happy with the level of engagement, but I feel like let's not derail and follow and be led away from the culture of engaging with one another, refana chance talking and engaging properly like we used to. But my last 2 cents worth of contribution is that, especially around my brother Floyd, the ex-member of our movement, is that sometimes when you work with the intelligent people, sometimes you look like you are intelligent, and then when you are alone, and then the reality start prevailing that you were never intelligent, you were just associated with intelligent people. I think those who went to school in those time of ours, I don't know ngeZulu ukopisa nesixhosa ukopisa kuirang, but kasipedi sa ko hamalebo re ko kopisa. So Floyd all along na kopisa di buka tsa bo Julius, acting and projecting himself as an intellect, as a political intellect. He has been in MK. I've never picked up any element of political intellect, and now he's going into parliament. Trust me, I'm not expecting any intellectual, political, muscles from him. And my last funny picture that I dreamed to see, it's how the CIC will be responding from Floyd's attempt to make engagement in parliament. That one, I don't want to miss it, and I pray to God to see that part. Thanks, Ama Fighters. Let's keep that good spirit. Thanks. I'm going to step down a bit.
Ngicela sipheni inkosi yami Mpondi chance. Bana uqobothela uDeni ne?
Yes, wengudini.
Okay, ngena Nkosi.
Fighters, I'm so excited.
Also another man's downfall.
Nokudlalisa uNqanawe nje ndiyamdlalisa excited bafethu. It's just because bendiyichilo lento recently uba kuzokwenzeka exactly ngalandlela kwahamba ngayo uJabulani kwaphuma ifake letter uyadinaywa nakulo kuphume ifake letter emxoshayo nayo yaphikiswa ngoku selihambile. Hayi fighters, donwabile mna andifuna ukuxoka benzosho nje lonto iyanetha, but kodwa ke bendicela uFloyd simbuyise ama-fighters, simnike iposition yokuthi masine rally njengoba sizobe sile eKZN ahambe phambili for i-catering. Uyabona nje i-catering amanager yonke into enokudla phakathi iyona
position loyo.
Can I come in, Chair?
19 zona ngaphandle.
Can I come in?
Hayi bo benifuna uRisenga angene. Ngifuna uVisayid kaRisenga because lo ababa lo lapha enkandla usebenzisa ukuzwa ukuthi ubani uthe wazisa kuyena then axoshe based on that. But
can I come in Zizipho?
Ngiyayifuna i-analysis kaRisenga ngazi ngamthola phi. Okay, thank guys. That is my 2 cents.
Ake sipeni chance uNqanawe. Yo, not uNqanawe so bulewe. Bendifuna ukuthi ngisipeni chance lo mntana uNkosi khona then kungene wena lethu. Oh, Nkosi khona nanke yewe then kungene wena lethu after yena.
Been waiting.
Oh, kaloku buke wangena wena Lerato. Hayibo. Uze nento entsha?
Yebo, ha.
Okay. Okay, let's give uNkosi khona kuqala then ungene after yena.
Thanks, but I think bengifuna ukungena after uDen, but unfortunately angikwazanga. Kodwa ke I don't think ukuthi panel iyaderail. I think into ekhona ukuthi I think ama questions are raised why they are above Ngqanawe. The only thing that Ngqanawe can indicate wakwazi ukuyisho ukuthi akaphathekile kahle. That's all. But if you look at a series of events, MK, lento le is not about indaba kaBushiri and Floyd going to Bushiri whatsoever. Because they claim ukuthi abazi ukuthi uFloyd uhambile, they knew. But manje bangakwazi ukuyi-attenda when he was back, when he was attacked by abantu ukuthi how come can you visit uBushiri? They never responded to that, but babona ukuthi no iyabalimaza kodwa ngoba vele kunama issues abo noDuduzile. They are just pushing that, but bosebenzisa into kaBushiri.
Wenkosi khona ngingaze ngikhohle umuthi ama questions are above uNqanawe usho
because you are not
usho ukuthi ufuna ngispeculate ngalendlela nespeculate ngayo
ukuthi awunawo ama answers.
Ama questions amanye they are difficult for you to answer because awekho ku level.
Difficult kanjani?
No, they are difficult.
Iyiphi question engayi-answerishanga?
Allow me to speak. Allow me to speak.
No, the problem is one Nkosikhona. Ufuna mina ngiphendule ngalendlela ocinga ngayo. Kanti ngeke ngiphendule ngendlela ocinga ngayo, ngizophendula ngendlela engicinga ngayo.
But wait, don't fight, ehlisa umoya. Angisho ukuthi uphendule ngendlela ocabanga ngayo. You could not even answer, not even to attempt kwamanye ama questions, not all of them. But I'm saying to you, ezinye izinto ngoba kade usho ukuthi kunama decisions kusho wena ukuthi athathwa at another level la wena ungahlali khona. Now at the same time awazi ukuthi why. You were honest about that. Bonke abantu don't sit kuma structures mhlambe at a certain level khona into abangazazi agcine sebexoxela zona, but when you make a follow up then you get the reason why such decisions were taken. That's the first part. Secondly, mina ngokwami I don't think it's khona kuningi esizokuthola if you ask new questions, but you can just comment about what happened. Now mhlambe bese uyacomment mhlambe wena ke ngoba remember MK, you might as well correct us mangabe uthi mhlambe sikhuluma into engekho correct about your organization. Uyabona nje series of events kusuka lo sisi waseMpumalanga meeting Jacob Zuma kufakwa lona osanda kufika as a chief whip, all of a sudden sekunendaba kaFloyd into enzeke during Easters in between. But ngiyazi ke bazoqamba mangabethi no we were dealing with the matter, but there's a case that was still on ekaDuduzi, but ekaFloyd now say by a priority. But that one for Duduzi is not just finished now confirmile lokho, but it says into kaFloyd was not even accepted by some of your leaders when he was appointed SG. Ingakho kwakunemsindo ngoba ku-MK izinto zeni zikhuluma openly. Yabona nokhoma uvulo wakho live nobani omaphumulo nobani bavulo wakho live niphikisane nodwa. Gcine